Welcome to Cleerline's resource video. In this video, we will demonstrate fiber optic insertion loss testing using the Cleerline SSF-TKITE-200 OLS/OPM testing kit on multimode fiber terminated with LC connectors. Required materials are SSF-TKITE-200 kit with included multimode light source and power meter, and one simplex LC to LC multimode reference cable for single cable reference testing. Simplex LC to LC adapters, two LC to SC adapters, cable under test, one-click type cleaner for SC connectors being the 2.5mm part SSF-1CLK-SC, one-click type cleaner for LC connectors being the 1.25mm part SSF-1CLK-LC. Using the light source and power meter. For full information on light source and power meter function, please refer to the included instruction manual. The light sources and power meter can be identified by labels on the front of each unit. This kit includes two light sources, one for use with single mode marked SM and one for use with multi-mode marked MM. When testing, ensure that the light source used matches the cable under test. Keys and indicators included on all units are the following. Power button. This also controls the auto shutdown function. Wavelength. This key activates the laser and controls the wavelength in nanometers. Keys specific to the light sources are mode. This controls the laser frequency, and backlight. Keys specific to the power meter are reference. This sets the current power value in decibel milliwatts as the reference value. Measurement setting. This sets the measurement to decibel milliwatts or nanowatts. Screen data. Items indicated on all screens are as follows. Wavelength, battery level, auto shutdown status. Auto off appears when the auto shutdown is enabled. Items indicated on the light source screen are as follows. Output power. Items indicated on the power meter screen are as follows. Power value. Reference power value will appear in the upper right-hand corner when set. Light source outputs. The light source for single mode testing marked SM operates at 1310 or 1550 nanometers. The light source for multimode testing marked MM operates at 850 or 1300 nanometers. Note that the laser does not operate at visible wavelengths. Light will not be visible when the laser is active. To avoid the risk of eye damage, do not look into the laser at any time. You are now ready to test. First, turn on the optical light source marked MM for multimode and optical power meter marked OPM. Quick press power button again on each unit to disable the auto off feature. On both power meter and light source, for multimode testing, set wavelength to 850 nanometers. On the light source, set to 0 Hz. Remove dust caps from the power meter and the light source. Take LC to SC adapters and remove dust caps. Clean end using the one-click type cleaner. Plug into the light source and power meter. Take the multimode reference cable and remove the dust cap. Clean end using the one-click type cleaner and plug into the light source. Clean the other end of the connector and plug it into the power meter. Press and hold the reference button until the power meter screen reads 0 decibels. This sets the reference value for the test. Unplug the reference cable from the power meter side only, and clean the connector and attach to the LC to LC female adapter. Clean end of the cable under test and plug into the adapter attached to the reference cable. Clean free end of the cable under test, plug cable under test into the power meter. The new decibel value visible on the power meter screen are the test results. You have now finished the test of your single-mode LC to LC cable. Continue testing or power off the units. For loss budget calculation, please refer to the included FOA guidelines in the kit. For each connector under test per TIA/EIA standards, allow a 0.75 dB per mechanical connector. Multimode fiber will have an acceptable loss of 3.5 dB per kilometer at 850 nanometers and 1.5 dB per kilometer at 1300 nanometers. This roughly translates into a loss of 0.1 dB per 100 feet at 850 nanometers and 0.1 dB per 200 feet at 1300 nanometers. Thank you for watching our instructional video on testing multimode LC to LC cables with the SSF-TKITE-200. For more information, please visit our website at www.cleerline.com/resources.